Good morning from Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. Today is an exciting day. It is going to be an adrenaline-filled day. I am going skydiving in the Swiss Alps right here, up in those mountains. I am so excited, but I'm also so nervous, trying not to think about it too much. And later on today, I'm going to be going whitewater rafting as well, and I want to bring you all along for the journey. This place is incredibly breathtaking. I get to come here as a Busabouter. It's one of our main stops, and it's so picturesque. There's literally cows walking up there on the road right now. I absolutely love it here. Whew. Okay, trying to hide my nerves. I'm jumping out of a plane, so let's do it. Morning!
Hey, good morning, Emily.
Good morning.
Welcome to Skydive Switzerland. How are you doing today?
Really good.
Really
Pumped.
good. Pumped, huh?
Yep.
First time jumping?
First time ever.
Yeah?
Yep.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, look, all the emotions rolled into one, but I'm mostly really excited.
Yeah? Nervous?
Yes, definitely. I'd be lying if I wasn't.
Well, you should be nervous. You'll be jumping with me, okay? Don't worry, next time you can jump with a professional.
All right. Sounds
So,
good to
can
me.
we have a look? Oh yeah, fantastic. Anything you'd like to say before we go?
Oh, love you, Mum.
All right, well, we get you in the plane, 10 minutes flying, throw you out. So, have a great jump. See you there. you think about that?
Incredible.
Yeah?
Incredible. Yeah, I was flying.
Scary?
Yeah. Oh, for the first second, and then I was like, yes, yes. Oh,
Sweet.
yeah, so sweet. Thank you
Thanks for
so
jumping
much.
with Skydive Switzerland.
Thank you.
And we see you again. Yeah.
Now it's over. I'm so sad. That was the best. Go again. So round 2, honestly. God. What are your names? Nisha. Nisha?
And I'm Arden.
Arden. They're from America and they're about to jump. How are you?
So
excited.
Really nice.
And now I'm having some celebratory chocolate. Chill out while these guys freak out.
Pretty much.
Caffeinated and I need a nap now. Too much excitement for one day. So I am back home at my humble abode. I've just been relaxing, chilling out for a little while. Now I'm going to go have some cereal for lunch because that's the classy backpacking way. And then I might go for a walk, take it easy before rafting this afternoon. So let's keep going. The helicopter is wrecking the Serenity, but look where I am. It is so beautiful. I've just walked half an hour from the hostel down that way, and now I'm in this field of flowers, which I feel like I should skip through because it's so bloody scenic. And it's just one of those moments where I can't believe I'm here. Pinch me a million times and I still won't believe it. It feels like a dream. Well, I'd say it's been an incredibly successful day here in Lauterbrunnen and the Swiss Alps. I'm going now to make some dinner and go for some drinks later at the bar here at Camping Jungfrau, and then call it a day because I tell you what, I don't know if you can beat this. 24th of May 2019 is going down in history, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. There'll be plenty more coming your way when I spend time off in different places around Europe. I can't wait to bring you all along. Subscribe and like my videos. It really means a lot to me. I love making content for you guys and I want to see you enjoying it as well. So until next time, love you all.